Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, we are going to cover drawings and specifications. So buckle up and let's get started. Your drawings and your specifications are the first two things that you should focus on when you've set up a new project. The reason for that is because many of the other things that we're going to deal with inside of our project relates to drawings and relates to specifications. So let's set those up right now. In order to create your drawings, you must have the project set up first. So here I've gone into my projects and I've created a quick project called 305 Melbus. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the Smart button here that is for drawings. You can see there are 0 drawings on this project. Next, I'm going to upload the drawings. Okay, so depending on how you receive your drawings from your architect or engineer could make it easier or more difficult to get your drawings into 2020. In my project here, you can see that I have all of my drawings are organized by discipline, and then each of the files, each is an individual drawing, and the name of the drawing has its number and its name in it. This is the ideal format to get it into 2020. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of these drawings, and I'll just use a couple of them now. We could drag and drop all of them, but I'm just going to do a few of them here. I'm going to take the first 3 of them, and I'm going to drag and drop them onto this form. This is going to upload all the attachments to the project and start building out the records that are related to this. So each drawing is going to have a number and a name and a discipline and a set. So here you can see down below, the discipline for this is structural. And the set, we'll say the set is the original set on 9/13/2019. And we're going to hit update. This is going to update the lines, each one of these drawings here. Now what we need to do is fill in the number. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to say this is S102. Now I'm going to add the number for the next one, S103. Add the number one for the third one, which is S101. Now I have the information that I need for these drawings, and I'm simply going to click Add to Project. When I add that to project now, you can see that I have these 3 drawings are in the system. At the end of this line, I have some binoculars. If I were to click on the binoculars, it's going to open up this drawing in the 2020 viewer, the file viewer. Takes just a second sometimes depending on how big your drawings are. Okay, so here is the drawing that we have uploaded and all the details that are related to this. And these are the records associated with them. If I were to click on one of these, it's going to open up all of the details. From here, I can click Edit. I can change the number. I could change the name. Let's say I don't want to show this and I want to update the name even further. I could put in a received date and some tags and some other information around this and hit save. If I get a new version, I receive a different version of this S102 drawing, what I need to do then is click Create Revision. Creating revision will copy all the data. It's going to create revision number 1, as you can see down here in the revision details. Then we're going to take the actual drawing, which I have under here. So we'll take S102 and we will drag and drop it onto the form again. So now we have a new revision with a new drawing, so we are always keeping our drawing log up to date. So let's use the link here and go back to our project and see what we've got. If we look here at our drawings, you can see that we have 4 drawings. When we look at our drawing log, it says that we have 3 drawings because we're only showing by default the current drawing. So here we have S102, 01, and 03, but S102, this first one, is actually revision number 1. So if we wanted to see all of the drawings, we could click this and it would remove the current. Now we have 4 drawings in there. We can see that one of these drawings, S102, is not the current version. This is the current version. To put the current back on, click the filters and click current, and that will show you what your current drawing log is. So setting up your drawings is actually pretty easy. Sometimes it does take a little bit of prep work in order to get the file names on your drawings and maybe putting in the number and whatnot. But once it's in the system, now it's available to be used on your RFIs and your submittals and all the other documents throughout the 2020 Construction Cloud. So take the time to set up your drawings, get those drawings in the system, set them up correctly, and it'll make running your project smooth from there on out. Please let us know if you have any questions or would like to schedule a one-on-one demonstration. We'll see you next time.